Today, we're going to learn about calculating percentage increase. The formula for percentage increase is percentage increase equals new value minus old value, divided by old value, all multiplied by 100. Let's break down this formula. We start with the new value, which is the value after the increase. From this, we subtract the old value, which is the initial value before the increase. We then divide this difference by the old value. Finally, we multiply the result by 100 to convert it to a percentage. Now, let's work through an example. Suppose we have an initial value of 20, which increases to 26. Let's calculate the percentage increase. First, let's identify our values. The old value is 20, and the new value is 26. Now, let's plug these values into our formula. We have 26 minus 20, divided by 20, all multiplied by 100. Let's solve this step by step. First, we calculate 26 minus 20, which is 6. Then we divide 6 by 20. Finally, we multiply the result by 100. Therefore, the percentage increase from 20 to 26 is 30%. Let's visualize this increase. In conclusion, we've learned how to calculate percentage increase using the formula, percentage increase equals new value minus old value, divided by old value, all multiplied by 100. We applied this formula to an example where a value increased from 20 to 26, resulting in a 30% increase.